So they were selling those things that no preseason practice.
Little slanted, that's all it takes.
You say it's a while ago, huh?
What?
Yeah.
It looks like it's no more than, it looks great.
It's great. I'm not telling people to do it. You try to do it.
I think this is the first time it's ever been used outside. We had a great big kitchen.
Hey, little Jerry.
Yeah, we had a great big kitchen. Linda would get on the thing. She'd stand up and think 20 minutes.
Have dinner on it.
Oh, then you're up.
Hey, turn sideways.
No, you're up.
There you go, baby.
Yeah, you're up.
Oh, right in.
Jerry.
Right in.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Hey, we need a laugh here.
Everybody go upstairs and I'll get on it.
It's an exercise that when I was teaching aerobics, the pump they were doing yeah. I don't know. One of them tried it. Balls in the toes here.
Arms out.
Arms out.
All right, focus, focus. The ship.
Can I do it for a minute?
What was it? Something like this?
Oh, hands together. That's right.
Only like 6 inches off the ground.
What do you
Woo!
mean?
You can really, once you get that.
It was toes and elbows.
A few more beers and you'll really be good at it.
Yeah, it was toes and elbows.
Am I right?
Oh, I didn't
Whoa.
do it. How's he doing?
I feel like I'm just not even close to getting it right.
Yeah.
Jerry, take the glasses off. Don't ruin those two.
You know what you mean? Like when the wheel's over here, you want to.
You're supposed to be, it's the wind that's bothering you. You're supposed to be, you're supposed to be able to be drinking the beer plus doing it.
All right.
There you go.
All righty. There we go.
One more time.
I'm not on.
Drink.
I got a ball.
You have a beer?
Keep them lower.
Kurt, will you please be careful?
Yeah.
Your back.
Just a minute. I'm not here. He did it.
That's it. That's it, girl.
This is my cousin. This is my cousin baby Jerry. He's having a little right now. See? Say hi. Baby Jerry, say hi.
Oh, my word.
Hello, Jerry. We're going to the arcade.
Like that.
Watch the camera.